Quick question. What's the very first thing you do when your eyes open in the morning? Tell us in the comments right now because in the next 15 minutes, Mark and I are going to describe every single tiny detail of our daily routines. And trust me, some parts are extremely embarrassing. Stay till the end. You won't believe what Mark does at 11:47 p.m.
Anna, don't scare them away already.
Too late. Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak Flow English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. If you're new here, we turn boring English practice into real fun conversations, the kind you can actually use in real life.
Exactly. So smash that like button and subscribe in the next 5 seconds so you never miss a lesson. Ready? Let's dive into the chaos of our daily routines.
Chaos is the perfect word for mine.
Same. Okay, Mark, paint the picture. It's Monday morning, 6:45 a.m. What happens the second your alarm goes off?
First of all, my alarm is the worst sound in the universe. It's this super loud beep 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 that feels like someone is drilling into my brain.
Brutal. Mine is ocean waves, but I still hit snooze 3 times.
Guilty. So I reach out like a zombie, slap the phone, and pull the blanket over my head for just 5 more minutes. 5 minutes becomes 15. Classic.
Every single human on Earth does that. Then what?
Finally, I sit up, rub my eyes, and my feet touch the freezing floor. Bam! Instantly awake. I do this huge stretch, arms up, back cracked, like a bear waking up from hibernation.
I do the exact same stretch. My spine makes this loud crack, and I feel 10 years younger for about 3 seconds.
Then I stumble to the bathroom in the dark because I'm too lazy to turn on the big light. I only switch on the tiny light above the mirror so I don't blind myself.
Smart. I walk straight into the door at least once a week because I refuse to wear my glasses first.
Okay, mirror time. My hair looks like I got electrocuted. One side is flat, the other side is sticking straight up. I just stare and say out loud, "Good morning, handsome disaster."
I talk to myself too. I look in the mirror and go, okay, Anna, let's try to look like a functioning adult today.
Then, the sacred toothbrushing ritual, electric toothbrush, 2 minutes, mint toothpaste that makes my eyes water because it's so strong.
I'm old school, manual toothbrush, but I set a timer and brush like I'm trying to win an Olympic medal. Tongue, gums, roof of the mouth, everything.
Overachiever. After that, I splash ice cold water on my face 10 times. It's like a slap from Mother Nature.
I do warm water first to wake up the skin, then cold water to close the pores. I saw it on TikTok, so it must be true.
Science. Next, skincare. Yes, I do skincare. Don't judge me.
I'm proud of you. What's your routine?
Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, eye cream, sunscreen, even if I never leave the house. Takes 7 minutes. I look like I'm painting my face.
7 products? I just use one moisturizer and call it a day. Okay, wardrobe time. Describe your struggle.
I stand in front of my closet for 5 full minutes, staring like it's going to give me fashion advice. Everything is on the floor. I pick up 3 t-shirts, smell them, and choose the least offensive one.
The smell test. Universal language. My closet is color-coded, but I still change my outfit 4 times because I have nothing to wear.
Then I put on jeans, sneakers, hoodie, done. Total time 45 seconds once I actually decide.
Boys have it so easy. Now, the best part of the morning, breakfast. What's your go-to?
Coffee first, food second. I cannot speak to humans before coffee. Black, no sugar, extra strong. While the coffee machine screams, I make toast with peanut butter and banana. 5 minutes, perfect.
I'm a smoothie girl. Banana, frozen berries, spinach, oat milk, protein powder. Blend for 30 seconds, drink it while answering emails.
Spinach again. You're so healthy it hurts.
You can't taste it, I promise. Okay, you finish breakfast, bag, keys, phone, wallet, out the door. How do you get to work?
I take the subway, 25-minute ride. I put on noise cancelling headphones, listen to a podcast, and try not to make eye contact with anyone.
I drive. 20 minutes if traffic is kind, 50 minutes if the universe hates me. I sing at the top of my lungs. My car is my private concert hall.
What do you sing?
Everything. Taylor Swift, old 80s hits, sometimes opera when I'm feeling dramatic.
I need a video of that. So I arrive at the office, say good morning to exactly 3 people, then straight to my desk. First thing, open Slack, check 47 messages from the night, panic a little.
Same energy. I walk in, make a second coffee, this one with oat milk, then open my calendar and realize I already have a 9 a.m. meeting. Why do meetings exist at 9 a.m.?
Cruel and unusual punishment, morning is for deep work, answering important emails, planning the day, writing to-do lists on colorful sticky notes.
I love sticky notes. My desk looks like a rainbow exploded. By 11 a.m., my brain is fried, so I go for a quick walk around the block to wake up again.
Smart. I just drink more coffee and hope for the best.
Lunchtime, the light at the end of the tunnel. Where do you eat?
Usually at my desk, sad salad or yesterday's leftovers. But on good days, I meet friends at the cafe downstairs and we complain about work for 45 minutes.
I bring a bento box. Rice, grilled chicken, veggies, little chocolate for dessert. I eat in the park when the weather is nice. Sunshine makes everything better.
Totally. After lunch comes the 2:30 p.m. crash, eyes heavy, brain fog.
The struggle is real. That's when I do my third coffee, iced this time, and put on upbeat music to survive.
I do a quick 5-minute power nap at my desk, head down, alarm set, wake up confused and drooling a little.
Been there. Afternoon is meetings, calls, more emails, fixing things that broke while I was at lunch.
Exactly. Then suddenly it's 5:30 p.m. and freedom. I shut down my laptop, say see you tomorrow, and run before someone gives me extra work.
Same. The commute home feels completely different. Everyone looks exhausted. The subway is packed. But I'm happy because the day is over.
I get home, open the door, and the first thing I do, kick off my shoes, throw my bag on the floor, change into sweatpants and the oldest, softest t-shirt I own.
Instant transformation into couch potato mode.
100%. Then I sit on the sofa and scroll on my phone for 20 minutes doing absolutely nothing. Pure bliss.
I call that decompression time. My brain needs to switch from work mode to home mode. I make herbal tea, chamomile or peppermint, and just breathe.
Healthier than me. After decompression, dinner decision. I open the fridge, stare for 3 minutes, close it, open Deliveroo, order pizza.
Guilty sometimes too. But when I cook, it's usually pasta with tomato sauce, garlic bread, and a huge salad. 20 minutes max.
Perfect. We eat, we watch Netflix or YouTube. What are you watching right now?
A Korean drama. I cry every episode. You?
football highlights, and stupid funny videos until I can't keep my eyes open.
Evening hobby time. I water my plants. I have 25 now, and talk to them like they're my children.
I go to the gym 3 times a week, run on the treadmill, lift some weights, feel like a champion for exactly 1 hour,
Proud of you. On non gym days,
play video games or edit photos. I love street photography on weekends.
so cool. Around 10 p.m., I start the wind down routine. No more phone, dim the lights, read a book in bed.
I try to stop screens at 11, but usually fail. Then I do my night skincare, same 7 products, but now with a fancy night cream.
Of course. Then pajamas. Mine have little stars on them. Super childish, super comfy.
Mine are just black shorts and whatever t-shirt is clean.
Final step before sleep?
I set tomorrow's alarm, put my phone across the room, so I actually have to stand up to turn it off, say a quick thank you for the day, and lights out.
I journal 3 things I'm grateful for, then read 2 pages of a book until my eyes close by themselves.
And that's it, the cycle repeats.
But weekends are completely different. Saturday, no alarm. I wake up at 9:30 or 10, make fluffy pancakes with berries and maple syrup, stay in pajamas until noon.
Luxury. I sleep until my body says, okay, enough, then go for a long photo walk around the city with my camera.
Perfect Saturday for me. Coffee shop, read a book for 2 hours, meet friends for brunch, maybe a museum or shopping, home by sunset, movie night with popcorn.
Mine, football match with friends or lazy gaming day with snacks. Zero guilt.
That's the magic of weekends. Total freedom.
Exactly.
Okay, quick vocabulary highlight from today's chat. Hit snooze equals press the button to sleep more. Decompression time equals relaxing after work. Wind down routine equals things you do to prepare for sleep. Overachiever equals someone who tries extra hard. Couch potato mode equals super lazy and relaxed.
And one bonus, the smell test for clothes.
Use these words when you describe your routine in the comments.
And now, your turn. We read every single comment. Tell us, describe your perfect Saturday morning tonight. What do you eat for breakfast? Where do you go? Who do you meet? Write as much as you want. The longest comments get heart emojis from us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. You are amazing. You are improving every day, and we are so proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye!